In this session we will go for the third activity, and that is for week 3 2.7.6. This is a PDF file, text one. This is the packet tracer. I opened the packet tracer and PDF already. This is the PDF file. Implement basic connectivity between switches and computers. Okay, so we have three parts: perform a basic configuration of switch on switch S1 S2, then configure the computers, configure switch management interface. I already opened the file. So when you open the file, it will ask you name of the user. You should mention your name. Do not try guess. Okay, so again mention your email ID. For me it's Yahoo account, so okay. Now what is the question? We have a table. Okay, S1 interface name VLAN 1, IP address 192.168.1.253, subnet mask 255.255.250. IP address means any number, say is a number used to identify a computer in the network or a switch in the network. Okay, subnet mask, this represents what type of network is this IP belongs to. Is that A, B, C? That I will tell you later. Okay, just enter the values. I'll tell you. Okay, perform a basic configuration of S1 S2. So configure the S1 with host name, then console an encrypted password, verify the configuration, configure MOTD banner, save the configuration to NVRAM, repeat the same steps on S2, configure PC, computers PC1, PC2 with IP address. How do we configure? I'll tell you. Test connectivity switches. How do we connect to the switches? Okay. Then configure management interface with an IP address. Then S2 also save. Then verify the configuration. Okay, so I'll start with perform basic configuration of S1 first. So complete the following step on S1 S2. Configure S1 with host name. So I will take the computer like this, take the switch first of all. So there is no cursor, right? So click the cursor, enter. Now see the switch name is just switch and the mode is user exit mode. See the name is not changed. What should I do? I have to go to the privilege mode. So first enable command en then tab symbol, enable will come. Hash mode, this is privilege mode. Still we cannot configure the name here. We have to go to configure terminal. So conf space t, enter tab, configure terminal. Now I want to change the name of the switch as S1. So I will type the command host then tab, or you can type name, full command, host name capital S1, then only will get full marks. Okay, S1. Now see the name is changed to S1. Which is what is full mark? See here, for every command the completion percentage is increasing. So when you are doing the first command, you will get 4%. At the end of the day, you should get 100% marks. Then only you will get full marks for the question. Okay. After that, what is the next command? Command configure. Okay, done. Then console and encrypt privileged exit password. So use Cisco for console, class for privilege exit mode password, encrypted privilege. Okay, so first thing, console password is Cisco. So line con 0 password Cisco login exit. I configured console password line con 0 console. I put short form con 0, only one console port there. Password bar then Cisco, Mr. Same, you have to give the same password. Do not make any spelling mistake or case mistakes. Okay, you should be in the same case. Then login exit, you will come back to config from config line. What is the percentage now? It is now 13%. Now use class for encrypted privilege exit password. So what I will do, I'll go back here again, line, sorry, enable secret class. Okay, now what's the command? Sorry, percentage is 18. Okay, verify the password configuration for S1. How can we verify it is correct or not? Okay, what I do is I'll go to the switch. I want to go back, exit, again exit. Now first thing they ask is console password. Okay, what was the password I gave? CISCO. I cannot see the password, just type. Okay, correct means you will get enable symbol. Okay, user exit symbol. Now I'll type enable. For the privilege configuration password I give class, so CLASS. Now enter. Just I will show run. You can see enable has become secret password and console password is still plain text Cisco. Now what else they want to they ask you to do is configure the message of the day banner. This is the message I want to put. Okay, so I just copy because I want to type it takes time. So I'll go for message of the day banner. So to configure everything, go to configure mode, banner message of the day, MOTD, double quotes, enter the message, enter double quotes. Now banner is done. Don't forget to put the double quotes at the beginning and ending. If you forget, it will show error. Okay, now what is the message? What is the percentage? 22. Save the configuration file to NVRAM. How do we save this to NVRAM? Exit, copy, run, then start. So whatever we are doing is in running configuration, that is stored in RAM only. When the power goes off, all the which one commands will go. Okay, but if you do this copy run start, it will be copied into startup or NVRAM, non-volatile RAM. So power goes also, the non-volatile RAM will store the data. See, before this command, before I apply this command, if I open the startup configuration, see, before I do this command, show startup, nothing is there. See, there is nothing stored there. So I'll paste this command. Now they will ask you file name. Yes, I don't want to give a file name, but if you want to give, you can give, no problem. Just put enter key. Now when I go for, see, another command is, if you have another key, if you have up arrow on the keyboard, no, you can just click the up arrow, previous command will come, up arrow. Okay, what is up arrow? See, keyboard we have, see, I'll just show you in the keyboard, up arrow symbol in keyboard. See, this one, up arrow. I'll put the image. When you press this up arrow, this symbol, no, this symbol in keyboard, you will get the previously typed command. No need to type it again. You will get the previous all commands. Okay, so here I have so many previous commands. So I want to do this copy run start. Just done. Now I want to check the show startup. Everything is now saved. Whatever you have done, S1 enable secret, everything. Control Z. Now what is the percentage, Baba? It's 27. Okay, like this you have to go through. Then repeat the steps 1 to 5 for S2. Okay, I have to do the same for S2 also. So I will go to S2, enter key, enable command to go to privilege mode, configuration command for enter to configuration mode. Now host name, I put S2. Now line con 0, password Cisco, login, exit. Then what's the next command? See, first thing was console done. Now class for encrypted privilege exit password, encrypted. So the answer is enable secret. What was the password? Class. Okay, now verify the password. How do we verify? Exit or end. So Cisco is the console password. Yes, it is correct. Now enable, I give, class is the password, done. Now I want to store this, so copy, run, start. It's done. Oh, sorry, I have to configure banner. See, there is a question for banner configuration. So same question, same banner message. I'll copy this one because I'm lazy. I don't want to type a big message. I'll go for here. Again, go back to configure terminal. Banner MOTD, message of the day, double quotes. Put the message, double quotes, done. Now again exit. Now copy, run, then start. Done. How much percentage now? I think almost double, as 54, 27 into 254 it has come. Now configure PC1, PC2 with IP address. Okay, So from where, Mr. I will get IP address subnet mask? See here, PC1, the IP address 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0. NIC and NIC network interface card. Okay, so NIC address. So I will copy this 192.168.1.1 for PC. Okay, I'll just type. Okay, PC1. How, Mr. you can configure the IP? Go here, PC1. Okay, and now there is desktop. In the desktop IP, so many options. Okay, earlier we used the terminal option for connecting to switch. Now we have IP configuration. Here I have static and DHCP. Interface is FA0. This is the interface connecting. Okay, so static means I will give the IP address manually. DHCP means no need to configure IP by typing or manually. Automatically you will get. Now in our college, no, your computers are connected with DHCP, so they will get IP automatically from the router or the server. In here also your mobile phone also connected to your wireless network by DHCP automatic. So here I go to static. What is the IP I have for PC1? 192.168.1.1, 255.255.250. So I'll go here. 192.168.1.1 is the IP address. Subnet mask by default it will come 255.255.250. So no need to copy paste. This one is coming automatically. Same thing for PC2 1.2. So PC2, go here, IP static 192.168.1.2. Done. Mask also will come. Just click that, mask will come. Subnet mask. Gateway and server, no need now. We'll do later. After that, what we'll do? Repeating step for PC2. Now close PC1. Okay, test connectivity to switches. Now what I do is I want to check connection, whether my computer and switch are connected or not. For connectivity testing, I want to use the command ping then IP address of S1. See, ping command IP address for S1. So what is IP address for S1? S1 IP address is 192.168.1.253. I'll open PC1. I want to check connection from computer to S1. So PC1, same desktop, but you have to go to command prompt. For pinging, entering the commands, go to command prompts. Here type PING. Where you want to communicate, I want to connect S1. What is the IP address of S1 given in the table? 192.168.1.253. 192.168.1.253. Message is coming, pinging, trying to connect or pinging to 192.168.1.253 with 32 bytes of data. Request timeout means connection not established, connection not done, connection not maujood. Request timeout means they are not connected. Okay, they are not connected, and again the C prompt will come back. See, ping statistics, packets sent 4, received 0. I sent 4 packets, but there is no message back, so lost 4, 100% lost. Why, Mr.? Because it was not successful, because I didn't configure any IP for switch, right? I have just configured what for the switch? I just configured the host name, password, manner. There is no IP I configure for switch. Where is the IP? So for switch, I need to set this IP for this interface with this mask. I want to configure the IP for these two switches. This is the IP address, this is the interface name, this is the mask. So what is the step there? Configure S1 with IP address. So I want to configure an IP. For that, I have to write this command, interface VLAN1. There is no specific interface for switch. We have to create a virtual interface VLAN1 with IP address command. What is the IP given in the table? Mask given in the table, no shut. Already the VLAN1 interface is shut down. We have to give an IP and make no shut. No shut means shut down Mafi, get it up. Okay. I'll go to switch S1 first. Go to configure mode. Int VLAN then 1. Interface yani int. VLAN 1 yani name of interface. What is the IP address I have to give? IP address. That also, if you don't want to type the full IP then address. What is the IP given in the table for S1? 192.168.1.253. Okay, 192.168.1.253, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Very careful when you type subnet mask. Some people they will put 25.25.25, and again it is 3 times 25510. Why it is coming, we'll discuss in the later chapters. Okay, then by default the interface is shut down. So how to make it up? No shut or no shutdown. Now see, interface VLAN 1 up, exit. Now what else? What we are telling? What is the IP for next one? 254. S2 it is 254. So after that, configure S2 with IP address. S2, this is the S2. So configure space T. Now interface VLAN space 1, IP address 192.168.1.254.255.255.255.0. Mr. White, where you got this IP? I got this 254.192.168.1.254 from this table. So in the table you have to copy, and the subnet mask also given in the table. So I have to go to S2. Then if you make a mistake in the command, no error message will come. Okay, so after that, no shut. Interface is by default shut down. We have to make it up. So no shut. See, interface VLAN 1 change to up. Exit. Now let me see the percentage of completion. It's 100%. Kalas, okay, but still we have to finish the remaining steps. What are the remaining steps? Now save the configuration for S1 S2 to NVRAM. Still now, okay, before that, verify the IP address configuration you have done. How do we verify? Either show run command, but every time we cannot give show run now. We have another command called as show IP interface brief. Okay, so go to S1. You know, the show commands will not work here. See, when I type show IP interface brief, input detected, error, because the command is correct, Baba, but you are in wrong mode. You are in configuration mode. Configuration mode display not possible. Go back, exit. This one, show, same command I type short form, show sh IP bar then interface short form int brief bar then br. See, the same big command, show IP interface brief, yani details of the interface 0 bar 1, 0 bar 2, 0 bar 3, VLAN 1 in brief short form. I want to use, I can use this command show sh IP bar then interface int brief br. Now enter the command. You will get 0 bar 1 no IP, 0 bar 2 no IP. Okay, where the IP is given, then VLAN 1 you give IP up. If you forget to put no shut, right, it will be down here. Okay, now same thing you can try in the show run command also. Show run sh run also, you can go down. You can see VLAN 1 this IP. If you shut down, if you don't forget to put no shut, below this line it will come shut down. Okay, but you have done perfectly. Okay, go to S2, again exit, show IP int br. You can see this interface VLAN 1 IP up. Show run also same thing, but it will showing all the passwords, everything, and last one. Okay, done. Now what we have, the command is save the configuration for S1 S2 to NVRAM. So I want to save this into the permanent store NVRAM. So copy run bar then start. Done. Same for S2. Copy run bar then start. Done. Now what else we have is check the connectivity. Now you can ping the IP address to PC2, ping to S1, ping to S2. So what I'm going to do is I will ping from here to here, ping from here to here, ping from here to here. What is the IP of this PC? I can check in the computer, sorry, table. PC2 is 192.168.1.2. I will open the packet tracer. This is PC1. How you got this, mister? Yes, again I will open. From PC1 I want to check connection to PC2. Checking connection command is ping bar then other computer IP. So PC1 open, go to desktop. In the desktop, what is my IP? 192.168.1.1. Where you want to go? PC2, it is 1.2. So go to desktop, command prompt, type ping 192.168.1.2. If you are connected means you will get reply from 1.2. 32 bytes transfer less than 1 millisecond. TTL, time to leave. Okay, this packet will be live for 128 seconds. Okay, milliseconds. Okay, that's one. So 100%, 0% loss means 100% send. Earlier it was showing request timeout, right? Now see send for, received for. Now I want to check the connection from PC1 to S1. So how? S1 has IP now 192.168.1.253. I'll just go to PC1 again. PING 192.168.1.253. Now see, there will be no request timeout. They will show you reply. Let's see. The first packet is failed. Remaining 3 packets done. It takes some time for updating the switch table. Now I will try the command again. Now 4 reply will come. 4 packets and 4 receive. Same thing I can try for switch 2. Switch 2 is 192.168.1.254. So I'll try 254. First time the packet will be lost because the switch updation, the table updation not done. Now later on will get 4 reply packets. See, it is only 1, 2, 3 packet. Now I'll try again. Now we'll get 4 packets. Now this is the video for the third week activity, the third activity. Okay, that's all for today. See, everything is done. All answers I already told you. Okay, so this is a video done for activity 3. What is that? That's my video. My video, what is my video? I didn't stop. This one, no, what is my video? This one, I will close. Okay, saving this movie. This one also I can close. So we'll go with the second activity. The second activity is 2.5.5 configure. Today I'll discuss about the practicals we have planned for the week 2. So 2.3.7 packet is a file. This is the PDF. Festival evening of October 13-14 തീയതി ഒമാനിലെ 2.5.5 contact tracer, then the PDF. So I'll open.
നടക്കുകയാണ്. അതിന് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും